Interrupted with the Core83 Library DLL blocking IBM Lotus workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before we get into the manual guide for Core83 Library, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the Core83 Library, a core library component for the legacy IBM and Lotus Notes suite. It manages the foundational database and email synchronization routines. If missing, Lotus Notes will fail to open its local workspace or will report a Lotus Notes initialization error 0x035. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. This error usually occurs when IBM/Lotus is damaged or incompletely installed. Download and reinstall the latest official version of IBM/Lotus to replace required files such as Core83 Library DLL. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Core83 library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Core83 Library DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining Core83 Library. To support our technical team and receive updates on Core83 Library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.